Mastering Japanese joinery offers significant potential for modern woodworkers, providing not only a set of refined techniques, but also a philosophy that enhances the overall quality of craftsmanship. As woodworking continues to evolve in today's fast-paced environment, incorporating the time-honored methods of Japanese joinery can serve as a bridge between traditional skills and contemporary design. This approach fosters a deeper connection to the craft, encouraging artisans to embrace precision, functionality, and aesthetic beauty. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of Japanese joinery techniques and design ideas for today's woodworkers. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. At its core, Japanese joinery is a system of woodworking techniques that emphasizes the use of intricate, interlocking joints rather than relying on nails or screws. This method is deeply rooted in centuries of craftsmanship, developed through a cultural appreciation for the beauty of nature and the materials used in woodworking. For contemporary woodworkers, mastering these techniques means not only acquiring new skills, but also gaining an understanding of the historical context in which these methods were developed. This connection to tradition enriches the crafting experience, allowing artisans to appreciate the lineage of their craft. One of the most significant advantages of Japanese joinery is its emphasis on precision. The techniques often require meticulous measurements and careful planning, which can elevate a woodworker's skills to new heights. As artisans engage with these methods, they learn to value accuracy and attention to detail, qualities that are essential in creating high-quality furniture and other wood products. This precision not only enhances the structural integrity of the pieces, but also contributes to their aesthetic appeal. The clean lines and seamless joints characteristic of Japanese joinery create a visual harmony that resonates with both the maker and the end user. Furthermore, the practice of Japanese joinery encourages woodworkers to develop a greater understanding of the properties of wood itself. Different types of wood behave in unique ways, and mastering joinery involves recognizing these nuances and selecting the appropriate techniques for each material. This knowledge can lead to more thoughtful designs, as artisans begin to consider how the wood will interact with the environment and how its characteristics can be highlighted through specific joinery methods. This relationship with the material fosters a deeper respect for the craft and enhances the overall quality of the finished product. In addition to technical skills, mastering Japanese joinery also instills a sense of patience and mindfulness in woodworkers. Many of the techniques require time-consuming processes, such as hand-cutting joints and careful assembly. This slower pace contrasts with the rapid production methods often seen in modern woodworking, allowing artisans to engage more fully with their work. The act of crafting becomes a meditative experience, encouraging a focus on the present moment and the satisfaction that comes from creating something by hand. This mindfulness can translate into greater enjoyment of the craft and a more profound connection to each piece produced. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, the aesthetic philosophy of Japanese joinery aligns seamlessly with the modern movement towards minimalism and sustainability. The principles of simplicity, functionality, and beauty that underpin Japanese design resonate with contemporary consumers who seek meaningful, well-crafted items. By embracing these joinery techniques, woodworkers can create pieces that not only serve practical purposes, but also embody a sense of artistry and intentionality. This appeal to a modern audience can lead to increased marketability and demand for handcrafted items that reflect a commitment to quality and craftsmanship. The potential for innovation within the framework of Japanese joinery is another significant aspect for today's woodworkers. While the techniques are rooted in tradition, they can be adapted and combined with contemporary design elements to create unique, innovative pieces. This fusion of old and new can lead to exciting explorations in form and function, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in woodworking. Artisans can experiment with different materials, finishes, and styles while still honoring the integrity of traditional joinery. This creative exploration not only keeps the craft relevant, but also inspires future generations of woodworkers to continue evolving the art. Additionally, the community aspect of woodworking can be enriched through the sharing of knowledge related to Japanese joinery. Workshops, online courses, and collaborative projects focused on these techniques can foster connections among woodworkers, creating a supportive environment for learning and growth. As artisans share their experiences and insights, they contribute to a collective understanding of the craft that extends beyond individual practice. This sense of community can be incredibly motivating, encouraging woodworkers to pursue excellence and share their passion with others. The accessibility of resources related to Japanese joinery has also increased, making it easier for woodworkers to embrace these techniques. Online tutorials, books, and instructional videos provide valuable insights and guidance, allowing artisans to learn at their own pace. This wealth of information democratizes the knowledge of Japanese joinery, empowering more individuals to explore and master these skills. As more woodworkers become proficient in these techniques, the overall quality of craftsmanship within the community is likely to improve, elevating the standards of handmade woodworking. Incorporating Japanese joinery into one's woodworking repertoire can also have a profound impact on personal satisfaction and fulfillment. The act of mastering complex techniques and creating beautiful, functional items brings a sense of pride that is hard to replicate. Each joint cut and each piece assembled represents a step in the artisan's journey, culminating in a tangible expression of their skills and dedication. This sense of accomplishment can be deeply gratifying, reinforcing the value of craftsmanship and the importance of preserving traditional techniques. Finally, the significance of mastering Japanese joinery lies in its ability to inspire a new generation of woodworkers to appreciate the art of their craft. As more individuals embrace these techniques, they not only enhance their own skills, but also contribute to a larger movement that values craftsmanship, sustainability, and artistry. By celebrating the beauty and functionality of traditional joinery, woodworkers can create a legacy that honors the past while paving the way for the future of the craft. The potential of mastering Japanese joinery for today's woodworkers is significant and multifaceted. From honing precision and technical skills to fostering mindfulness and creativity, these techniques offer a wealth of benefits that enhance both the crafting experience and the quality of finished products. As artisans embrace the principles of Japanese joinery, they contribute to a rich tradition that values craftsmanship, beauty, and functionality. This journey not only enriches their own practice, but also inspires a broader community of woodworkers to explore and innovate within the art of woodworking. In a world where handmade items are increasingly cherished, the significance of mastering these timeless techniques cannot be overstated. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked Japanese joinery techniques and design ideas for today's woodworkers. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.